Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of April, it is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Palette. I also have a giveaway going on right now in honor of Easter, and we're going to be doing a giveaway in this video as well. So check out those other ones in the description box down below. As far as giveaways in this one, I started trying to think how I can give back to you guys more. I love giving back to you guys. You guys know that. You guys have dubbed me the giveaway queens. So I'm going to see if I can do a giveaway in each one of my unboxings. I don't know if I'm going to be able to or not, but I'm gonna try it and we'll see. So that's what we're gonna do today. Is I know we're gonna give one of these away. My BOXYCHARMs get here so late in the month. I'm still waiting on my base box. Haven't got my base box yet. This is the premium box. So BOXYCHARM ships out every month. They have their base box for $25, which is 5 full-size products. They have their premium box, which is $35, and that's 6 full-size products. And then every quarter, they also have their Luxe. If you want to do that as well, you can do one, the other, whatever. But to do either the but to get the Luxe, you have to have the base box. I wish that you could just get the premium and get the Luxe and I could cancel my base, but not for now. So let's dive in here. Let's see what's in here. How have you guys been doing? Let me know what you guys are doing, trying to stay safe and everything else right now. Let me know that in the comments down below. I do have a code for BOXYCHARM if you want to check them out or are interested in it. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It saves you some money and it saves me some money on future purchases as well. It says Festival Vibes, and I did get version number 39. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. The first product I'm pulling out is by Farmacy. It is their Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. For those of you that don't know, I do a masking review series on this channel where I try on different masks, let you know what I think. So I'm super excited for this one. This one does retail for $38. And it's an intensely hydrating honey face mask for a glowing complexion infused with powerful antioxidants. This warming mask leaves the skin soft, supple, and plump with hydration. Here's what the product looked like. I love that it has this magnetic spoon, so you can kind of dig in here. And it doesn't have a strong scent or anything like that. And here's what it kind of looks like on the inside. So I can't wait to try this one in an upcoming masking review series. By Cover FX is a water cloud primer. It's a cooling mousse primer that instantly refreshes the complexion and defends skin against pollution and blue light, enriched with a plankton extract to help work against the effects of blue light emissions and urban pollutants. Wear it alone or under makeup to nourish and protect the skin all day long. Full size does retail for $38. And here's what this packaging looks like. This will be good. I love that it has the blue light in it. I think more research needs to be done into that to see how that's really affecting your skin, and I think it can be affecting your skin a lot more than what people are realizing. So I'm super excited about this. Yes, please. From Natasha Denona is their blush duo. Mine is in the shade 18, and it has the shades on the back of Totu and Dark Berry. This does retail for $38. And it's a finely milled, non-oil, and intensely pigmented blush with a soft and silk texture for a naturally bright look. Perfect for all skin types, this duo blush palette provides a dominant color on the right side and a more subtle color on the left side for seamless blending and softening edges. It does retail for $38. Here's what this looks like. Ooh, those are so pretty. Cannot wait, love. I'm excited. From IGK Hair Care is the Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. I don't know how much smoothing I got going on. This is heat protective blowout spray. Mimics the smooth, frizz-free results of a keratin treatment. 100% agreed that the hair looked like it got a keratin treatment from the salon. Retails for $32. It's good if you have frizzy, dry, or curly hair. You want sleek, smooth, frizz-free, high shine hair. Faster styling times. How to get it mist over damp or dry hair in sections, comb through and ensure every strand is coated, blow dry, finish with a flat iron for best results. I think I'm going to pass this one along to one of my friends who would get more use out of this than I do. I don't really use a hot iron. I don't really wear my hair straight, maybe once a year, maybe. And so I think I'm going to pass this one along. From Nudestix is the Magnetic Lip Blush Paint. It's where luxury K-beauty and multitasking color meets long wear performance. Magnetic Lip Blush Paints are luminous soft nudes in a feather-light blurring matte. Velvety texture that is non-drying and long wearing. Presented in a monochromatic tones. Mine is in the shade Walking Rose. So I think this is what we are going to do for the giveaway, and I'll let you know what you need to do in just a little bit and to win it. So that does retail for $28. From M.Greengrass. Never heard of them before. You guys let me know that in the comments down below. This is their Beach Air Dry Oil Spray. Fast absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering super moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Multi-use for body, face, and hair. What? Retails for $36. So my thoughts on the box. I have really mixed emotions here. First off, it's super late in the month. Super late. Nothing in here really screamed festival to me. I know it's festival season. That was supposed to be festival season until everything got canceled, but nothing really screamed festival. I am happy with some of the products. Some of them, not so much. Let me know what you think. What did you guys think in the description box down below? What you need to do to enter this, obviously, number one is you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check. I do this as a way to give back to my subscribers who I love so much, and I'm thankful for them. Watch this video in its entirety. I'm trying to get my watch time minutes up. Be 18 years or older to enter. YouTube is in no way affiliated with this giveaway. Obviously, I purchased it on my own. This is open international, but I'm not responsible for any duties, taxes, anything like that. So let's put this giveaway going on through May 13th. How I do all of my giveaways is I use a Google form. So I'll put that link in the description box. Go ahead and fill it out, and then that way you're not waiting for me to get back to you and me to get, say, hey, I saw your comment, yada, yada, yada. It takes all of that out. Just fill it out. Make sure to put your YouTube name on the questionnaire, so that way I can check to see if you are a subscriber or not. I do check countless times. I go through people on my giveaways that they are not subscribed, so I go on to the next one. And anyway, so on May 14th, then I will go ahead and random number generator from all the entries, and it'll go ahead and pick the winner. That's how I do it. This way it's fair for everyone. A couple bonus entries that you can do is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty, AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. Or if you want to share this video, that will also give you an extra bonus entry as well. Trying to grow the community here. Remember, only one entry per person. That way makes it fair for everyone. I hope that you guys like this. I hope that, let me know what you think about trying to do a giveaway from each the boxes that I get. Let me know that in the description box down below. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. Remember to subscribe, like this video, share it. I hope that you have a beautiful day. Please stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye.